Hey guys, this is Andrew here. Today I'm going to show you a very overpowered glitch in Buildable. Okay, so the way how to do this glitch is, okay, you need a jetpack. So, okay, the way how you do this glitch, you need a jetpack. Okay, like I just said, one chair, 10 pieces of plastic. You don't need skill to it, just I'm lazy. So 10 pieces of plastic and a one wooden block. This is all you need. Just to make the most overpowered glitch ever. All you need. That's literally all you need. So let's start with this glitch with first hit the plus sign, that's unanchor everything. Sit jetpack equipped, get 10 plastic block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10. Put a wooden block like that, and you're done. Now what you do is jump. Yes, shift lock if you don't know how to get that. Here, off, on. Wanna make it on. Don't press W. People think that you have to press W. That just does not work. Press S. Now, there's this glitch. Okay, when I say S, that means go backwards. And as you can see, it is working like very good. And that one stage can literally be the end. That one cave stage literally be the end. Now you don't want anything literally, you don't want anything to break. Because if that breaks, seems like I'm bored. Great, I'm bored. Nighttime. I opened up the chest. Yay! One gold block. And I got 142 gold. That is so much gold. Okay, maybe just do this glitch again. Chael. Jetpack. Actually, show angel wings. Angel wings. Just use jetpack, but I just test it with angel wings. You can use a scale too, just to make it go a little bit faster, but you know, get into 10 with the skill 2 might be hard. You may have to use some math. Pop. Jump. And it is working. One sec. I'm just gonna go back real quick. I need to test out something. We all know what candy is. Yellow candy. Let's see, come on. I ate it. Make me go faster, come on. Make me go faster. Ah! I am going the complete wrong way. Wow. Candy? Holy cow. Might seem slower. Oh, what? Now it's normal. I hate the cave stage. Why did you have to make up the cave stage? Not bad. Okay, so let's just make it very fast. So if you know how to make, you can probably make it so fast. Initially it's so easy just to make it. Okay, and you get candy. Yellow candy. Pop. Okay, what the heck happened? Okay, not what it's not good. That's just in the floor. Yes. I have the candy also. Come on. I think I literally ruined it. Pop, pop. Delete everything. Oh. That rotation was on, of course. No, okay. I am literally going to speed build this. Okay, pop, 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 pop. Done, pop. And hold S and just keep pressing spacebar. I mean, be careful of the stupid cave stage, okay? And I am literally almost died. I'm about to hit the cave stage. Cave. I don't like the now I can just go up now. No, I know when you guys turn, I hate the waterfall sound. Crap. Now, the glitch I just did is very easy. You only need 10 pieces of plastic, which might cost some money, but, 210 gold? Huh. So if you don't know, shop. Let's see, let's see some stuff. Let's see how much is a jetpack. Jetpack. Come on, jetpack. Jetpack is only 350 gold. Plastic is only 300 gold, so equal 650 gold. Maybe that's not that worth it. okay. There is a more cheaper glitch. Yes, you heard me. There's a more cheaper glitch. Or my plane. It's not even a plane. It's literally just a glitch mobile. Now, it's for magnet. We all know what a magnet is. It's just crazy. I mean, do I need to do it? It is fast. Yep, oh my god, I hate that cave stage. Oh my god, this is sweet. Cave stage sucks. Also, there is something I do want to say. What I want to say is this glitch is the most overpowered glitch ever. Besides the one by Snoop Ninja. Don't know who the heck he is. He make bullet grinders and all those stuff. Fastest way to get to the end. Flying machine that literally takes less than 10 seconds to go to the end. All of those crap. All of those crazy stuff by Snoop Inga. Neo block. What the heck? Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. You can use this glitch, or if you don't want to get 600 gold, buy 2 times gold. Oh guys, I'm still joking. That was obviously just a joke. Well, serious, not dummy. Should I get? I do have enough Robux. Now let's not spend any. Actually, I've probably done that. Whatever. Okay, so that's my glitch. It's a glitch, and that's a very cool glitch. You know what I mean? So yeah. Bye. Bye, guys.